6 Best Natural Drinks for Your Kidney Health. Have you ever wondered how you can naturally improve the health of your kidneys? Well, you're in the right place because today we are going to share with you the 6 best natural drinks for your kidney health. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering out harmful substances from our bodies. But what can you do to support these hardworking organs and keep them in excellent condition? The answer lies in the beverages you choose to consume. Many of us stay hydrated, but the problem lies in the sources of our hydration. Often, we reach for drinks laden with hidden sugars, such as juices, sweet tea, or soda. These choices can increase our risk of obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, which are among the leading factors contributing to kidney disease. So, what can we do to replace these sugary beverages with healthier options that promote kidney health? That's the question we're going to answer today. But that's not all. In this video, we will not only introduce you to these fantastic drinks, but also delve into the science behind their benefits. You'll learn how they can support your kidney health and, more importantly, how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. You'll be amazed by how much your kidney health can improve just by adding these drinks to your daily diet. So without further ado, let's get started. 1. Black coffee. If you love coffee, you'll be happy to know that it is very good for your kidneys too. According to some studies, drinking black coffee regularly can reduce the risk of kidney stones and acute kidney injury. One study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases used genetic data from hundreds of thousands of people and found that increasing coffee intake from 1 cup a day to 1.5 cups per day reduces the risk of kidney stones by 40%. Another study by researchers at Johns Hopkins Medicine revealed that consuming at least 1 cup of coffee a day reduces the risk of acute kidney injury by 15% compared to those who do not drink coffee. Researchers suggested that coffee and caffeine improve blood flow and oxygen use within the kidneys, protecting them from injury and disease. This is because coffee contains antioxidants and caffeine, which have anti-inflammatory and diuretic effects. However, not all coffee drinks are healthy. If you have kidney disease, you need to limit what you add to your coffee. Drinking black coffee instead of coffee with high potassium and high phosphorus milk or high-calorie sugary additives will be your best bet. As with everything, enjoy your black coffee in moderation and pay attention to how your body reacts to it. Some people have a gene variant that makes them metabolize caffeine slowly, which could increase their risk of kidney dysfunction if they drink too much coffee. Consult your doctor before increasing your coffee intake. 2. Green tea. Green tea, revered for its polyphenolic richness, contains a plethora of powerful antioxidants, including catechins. These antioxidants play a pivotal role in combating oxidative stress, a condition that can detrimentally affect the kidneys due to their constant filtration and waste removal processes. Green tea's capacity to neutralize harmful free radicals can be instrumental in reducing this oxidative burden, offering substantial advantages for kidney health. Scientific investigations have meticulously explored the interplay between green tea consumption and kidney health. Notably, these studies have highlighted several key points. Green tea's ability to regulate blood pressure, primarily attributed to its rich catechin content, holds immense promise in safeguarding the kidneys. High blood pressure is a recognized risk factor for kidney disease, and green tea's antihypertensive effects can potentially mitigate this risk. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of green tea are significant, as chronic inflammation can harm the kidneys. Green tea compounds suppress inflammatory pathways, reducing the likelihood of kidney damage. Moreover, green tea helps manage diabetes, a substantial risk factor for kidney disease, by enhancing insulin sensitivity and regulating glucose levels, reducing the risk of diabetic nephropathy. 3. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is a remarkable beverage with a multitude of potential benefits for kidney health. Its rich antioxidant content, particularly proanthocyanidins, equips it with anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ally against chronic inflammation, a contributing factor to kidney damage and dysfunction. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2013 demonstrated that cranberry juice consumption led to a reduction in markers of inflammation in subjects with chronic kidney disease. Furthermore, Cranberry juice has long been recognized for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. The proanthocyanidins in cranberries act as a shield, preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, thus reducing the risk of UTIs. Recent research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 confirmed that cranberry products, including cranberry juice, can effectively reduce the recurrence of UTIs, a benefit that reverberates positively throughout the kidney health spectrum. Additionally, cranberry juice provides formidable antioxidant protection. Oxidative stress can harm kidney cells and contribute to kidney diseases. A comprehensive review in Advances in Nutrition in 2019 emphasized the potential of cranberry polyphenols in alleviating oxidative stress and supporting kidney function. Cranberry juice can also help prevent certain types of kidney stones, including calcium oxalate stones. The compounds in cranberry juice can reduce the crystallization of calcium oxalate in the urine, potentially decreasing the likelihood of stone formation. 4. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a standout beverage for kidney health due to its high citrate content. Citrate binds to calcium in the urine, reducing the availability of calcium for stone formation. This is particularly helpful in preventing calcium oxalate stones, as confirmed by a study in the Journal of Urology in 2007. Despite its acidic taste, lemon juice has an alkalizing effect once metabolized in the body. This alkalization is valuable for maintaining an optimal urinary pH level. Studies like the one published in the British Journal of Urology International in 2009 highlight lemon juice's ability to elevate urinary pH and decrease the risk of uric acid stones. Lemon juice is also rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that combats oxidative stress, a key factor in kidney cell damage. A study published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine in 2005 underscored the potential of vitamin C in mitigating oxidative stress. Additionally, lemon juice has mild diuretic properties, promoting increased urine production and helping flush out waste products. Its anti-inflammatory compounds, such as flavonoids, help protect kidney tissues from damage caused by chronic inflammation. Start your day with a mixture of 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of pure lemon juice, and 500 ml of water on an empty stomach. This combination contains acetic acid, citric acid, and vitamin C, which work together to cleanse your kidneys effectively. 5. Beet juice. Beet juice is well known for its high nitrate content, which supports kidney health by being converted into nitric oxide, NO, in the body. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and reducing blood pressure. A study published in Hypertension in 2008 found a significant reduction in blood pressure due to dietary nitrate supplementation, similar to what beet juice provides. Beets are also rich in antioxidants like betalains and vitamin C. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are closely linked to kidney health. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2001 highlighted the potent antioxidant capacity of beet extracts. Beets may also play a role in preventing kidney stones. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2013 found that beetroot extract reduced the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, a common component of kidney stones. However, moderation is key when consuming beet juice, especially if you have pre-existing kidney conditions. Excessive nitrate intake can negatively affect renal function, so consult your healthcare provider before adding beet juice to your routine. 6. Water. Water, the elixir of life, is the most fundamental beverage for kidney health. It dissolves waste substances, enabling the kidneys to flush them out through urine. Adequate water intake ensures that the filtration process runs smoothly, preventing toxin buildup that could compromise kidney function. Water dilutes substances that lead to kidney stone formation, acting as a natural deterrent to this condition. Staying hydrated also helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the workload on the heart and indirectly supporting kidney health. Proper hydration helps balance electrolytes, which is essential for optimal nerve, muscle, and kidney function. Drinking enough water also reduces the risk of urinary tract infections by flushing out bacteria from the urinary tract. How much water is enough? While the popular 8x8 rule, 8 8-ounce glasses a day, is a good starting point, individual hydration needs vary based on factors like age, weight, activity level, and climate. Listen to your body's signals, such as thirst, and check the color of your urine. Clear or light yellow indicates proper hydration. If you found this information valuable, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering insights on health and well-being. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, take care of your kidneys and each other.